Live life golden, yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can never break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
Hey YouTube, it's me, Amari here from the Three Slay Sisters. And today, as you see by the title, I'm playing, as you see by the title, Building My House Part 2. So, yeah, let's get right into the video. But I want to make sound. I don't want Bluetooth. Let me take this Bluetooth off. Oh, no, I do not want to create new. Hold on, guys. Okay. Let me see if it works. Okay. Yeah, it works. So, yep, this is part 2. So, as we left off, we were right here, literally right here. So, now we're going to be doing this little ugly white right here. So, yeah. And then I'm going to have like a backyard. And guys, this is the beginning of my city. And this won't be a really long time, because I'm just putting this around my house. So, yeah, guys, if you hear Naomi video, it's because she's watching it on the TV. So, yep, go like and subscribe to both. Go like both of our videos, and of course subscribe to us. And guys, I am gonna have some pets. I'm almost done. Ugh, crap. I forgot that I had to do the back. So, here is my number one first house on this map. So, it looks better now that I did that. So now, I'm about to do, what I'm about to do? I guess I'm about to furnish it. Cause, wait, let me see how long this video is. This video isn't long. Maybe I should, I don't know, guys. I don't know what I should do. No, guys, this is the end of building my house. I'm gonna just do a part two of, no, not part two. I'm just gonna do furnishing my house. So, yeah, please like and sorry, I had to hit that duck. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Oh wait, let me do this thumbnail. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Peace.